Jabicho tere nyim doho makitui kaitudo gi kod ketho mar wuondore ni gin apisas mag duol mar EACC. Jabichgo manochope nyim jang'ad bura Elizabeth Karani oting'o David Mbethe, Shedi Kakai Kalusi, Paminas Kasamba, Ann Mudheu kod Joseph Musembi. Nonro wi meko margi nyiso ni achejego manore kod bunde mabandia kod nyororo nomako apisa maduong' mar kaunti ma Kitui kendo timo apedha mager ei ode. Jabichgo we thuolo kod bond mar Sh400,000 kod pesa aching' mar Sh100,000. Burano ibiro winj kendo tarik 28 dwe mar 8 higani.
Directs the investigators to expedite the said investigations, which are reported to be at advanced stage. The investigators are directed to present a report to court in the next 14 days from today. Directed to immediately release the original identity cards for the accused persons. Investigators are at liberty to retain copies of the same if need be. If not satisfied with my ruling, 14 days later. So pre-trials on the 26th of August 2024.
EACC does not do some of the things that have been done by these imposters, such as summoning suspects to hotels and other places that are not official. EACC summons its suspects through official communication. So any person who is acting otherwise is most likely an imposter and they are supposed to be exposed to the commission.